Hey guys, this is Sai Jyoti here and I'm currently working as Senior HR Executive, and in today's video I have brought you guys with two different well-known courses which can be considered after class 12 commerce. I totally understand most of these students are actually worried or confused what to do next after class 12. Is this particular course as per my passion or as per my interest? So just to clarify all these doubt, I have tried to gather as much as information that is required for a student before beginning this course. So let's get started. I would like to introduce two most well-known courses that can be pursued just after your 12th commerce: BCom, Bachelor's of Commerce, or BBM or BBA, that is Bachelor's of Business Management or Bachelor's of Business Administration. Both these courses can be done through regular correspondence or distance learning, and most of the colleges will offer you these courses. Now, I would like to tell you guys the similarity, what you will find in both of these courses. Yes, it's a 3 years undergraduation program. The criteria to get into these courses are a student who has completed class 11 and 12th in commerce stream with accountancy, business studies, economics as his main subjects. Few common subjects you will find in both the courses are accounting, finance, statistic, income tax, and some theoretical subjects evolving around commerce, business trade, and business laws. So a student has to analyze himself or herself where they want to be in next 5 years. So for example, if a student who wants to get into government job, then definitely BCom is a choice for them, because they can pursue BCom side by side, prepare for their government job exams. And those students who wants to get into management studies or be specialized in one particular stream like HR, marketing, or finance, etc., then yes, BM is a choice for you all. Both BCom and BBM gives you a lot of opportunity and widen the scope of your future. So level of difficulty, I wouldn't want to put it across as it's very difficult or very easy, because it all depends on students' mindset, and if they really like the subject of accounting and theoretical subjects in commerce or finance, then yes, definitely they'll be able to pass and clear the subjects. Getting in depth in BCom, yes, a student has to be good in accounting and numbers, or those students who want to pursue other professional courses like CS or CA or any other professional courses according to their own passion require some kind of degree in hand. And those students who want to get into government jobs, for example, in railway department, banking sector, or into IAS, police, then definitely BCom is a choice for you all, because you guys can pursue your course as well as side by side you can prepare for these government exams and professional courses. Yes, you have a lot of opportunity in private as well as government sector. You guys can begin your career as a financial analyst and get promoted to a consultant level, junior accounts executive to senior accounts executive and managerial level, business consultant, business executive. Those interested in shares and stockbroking, yes, stock brokerage is a good option for you all. Those interested in income tax departments, yes, you have option of tax assistants, tax consultant, etc. A lot of BPOs also have opportunities for you all as a sales executive or etc. Those students who do not want to get into job just after BCom or want to pursue their further academic scope, then you guys can get into MCom, MBA, LLB is also a very good option for you all, and few other professional courses like CA, CS, CMA. And I've given you a brief description or idea of what are subjects you will be studying in your BCom. First, second, third, fourth semester will be a common semester where all of you will be studying similar subjects. And fifth and sixth semester, that's your final year, you will be specialized in one particular domain, that is finance, accounting, or income tax. So getting in depth with BBM or BBA, yes, it's a 3-year professional degree program. A student who is interested in getting into management field or being specialized in particular area of specialization, like I told you, human resource, marketing, finance, income tax, etc. And those students who aspire to set up their own business, yes, BBM or BBA is definitely a good choice for you. You guys have a lot of opportunity in both private and well as government sector. Those specialized in finance can get into finance analyst, stock brokerage, tax assistant. Those specialized in human resource can become HR executive, senior HR executive, can get into recruitment and business development as well. Marketing students can get into marketing executive, marketing coordinator. Both human resource and marketing specialized students, based on their passion, can get into personal development, coaching, and mentoring as well. So a student who wants to groom himself and personally develop and be professionalized and specialized in one particular domain, yes, BBM is a good choice for you all. So those students who do not want to get into job or want to pursue their further academics, then yes, MBA is a good choice, because it's always said BBM adds a value only along with an MBA. So those students who are interested in finance and accounting, yes, CA is a good choice for you all. And those interested in laws, then LLB is definitely a wonderful choice. And another extra benefit that BBM or BBA comes along with this is your projects. So in your final semester, you will have to prepare a project based on your specialization. Like for example, a HR specialized student has to prepare a project based on the HR part of the organization, that is maybe onboarding, exit formalities, or recruitment, etc. A marketing specialized student has to study the marketing structure of an organization and prepare a report. And finance specialized person has to study the financial areas of the organization and prepare a report. And this will be considered for your final viva in your final semester. So here I have given you a brief idea about what are the subjects you will be studying in your first, second, third, fourth semester, which will be a common for all. And in your fifth and sixth semester, you will be specialized in one particular field, that is human resource, marketing, finance, accounting, income tax, etc.
So guys, I have tried to explain you in-depth information, tried to give as much as information that is required from my end. So guys, please make sure that you guys choose your course wisely and go into that particular stream of your interest only. So definitely in my future videos, I'll come up with what kind of certification you can do along with this course or after this course. So guys, if you feel this was an informative video, please do like, subscribe this channel, and do share with your friends so that even they can take utmost benefit and get a depth learning of these two courses. Thank you.